How to heat and bend 6-inch PVC pipe with no kinking. Many potential customers ask us if they can use the PVC Bendit to bend 6-inch Schedule 40 or Schedule 80 PVC pipe, and how to keep it from collapsing and kinking while it's bent. The simple answer to them is yes, but let me explain. We have found that PVC begins to soften once it reaches a temperature of about 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and when it softens, it can be bent however you would like. Along with creating a sweeping 90-degree bend in 6-inch PVC pipe, one of our customers shared with us his method for executing a 12-degree bend in 8-inch PVC pipe. Sharper bends can be achieved with additional tools, which are also listed in the description below. We have accomplished the bends using 3 different methods. In each method, we use the PVC Bendit tool, sections of half-inch coated fiberglass pipe insulation that is placed around the pipe, and digital thermometers to determine the temperature inside. Additional tools are used in the advanced methods. In method 1, we place the 6-inch fiberglass pipe insulation around the PVC pipe and place the PVC Bendit in the pipe where it rests on the bottom. This method requires turning the pipe frequently once the PVC Bendit heats after about 2 minutes, so the Bendit doesn't overheat and scorch the pipe. Once the pipe softens, it can be bent. The next method is to use flexible metal pipe or metal dryer vent hose and place it around the PVC Bendit inside. Rotating the pipe is still necessary, but with less frequency. This method also reduces kinking in the pipe as it is being bent. Our latest method we developed requires a few additional tools along with the fiberglass pipe insulation. They are 6-inch Greenlee plugs with a 6-inch valve stem extender from an auto parts store installed in one of the plugs, as well as Permatex RTV gasket maker, a small air compressor, a section of 1-inch or 1.5-inch angle iron that is about 2 feet longer than the pipe you are wanting to bend, a couple of 2x4s in which you notch a V in the top to hold the angle iron and PVC Bendit, a 2000 VA Variac Transformer, some shop rags for insulation, and a couple of digital thermometers to check the temperature inside. To begin, place the insulation around the PVC pipe and then place the piece of angle iron inside the pipe and let the ends rest on your V-notch 2x4s like so. Place your PVC Bendit tool on top of the angle iron and then plug the ends with a cloth rag to keep the heat inside the pipe. Place your digital thermometer in the ends so you can see the temperature as the pipe is becoming heated. To turn the PVC Bendit on, plug it into your Variac and let it heat. It still gets hottest on the bottom, so occasional rotating is necessary. Placing the Bendit in the center of the pipe seems to provide effective and uniform heat, and it also prevents scorching of the pipe. You can adjust the Variac to limit the heat output from the PVC Bendit, and the digital thermometers will give you a pretty accurate temperature. You can also push on the pipe to determine when it is becoming soft. With this method, we purchased a set of 6-inch Greenlee PVC plugs and modified one of them by cementing a valve stem extender into the center hole. This allows us to pump 6 to 8 psi of compressed air inside after the PVC is heated. Once the pipe has reached the desired temperature, the angle iron and PVC Bendit are removed and the plugs are positioned into the ends of the pipe. Using your air compressor, add the air, and then perform the bend. The air inside the pipe helps the pipe wall maintain its original shape while it's being bent. Here we see Mike demonstrating our latest method using 2-inch PVC after it's been heated. And now we use the same method with 6-inch PVC after it's been heated. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase your own PVC Bendit, please visit us at www.pvcbendit.com or call us at 719-645-7156.